Okay guys, we are out here with the Jeep again, and we also have Logan with us.
Hi.
And as you can see, we are sporting some new stickers.
Yeah.
So these are some new stickers I've just chucked on the truck. You may have seen in last video with the Kraken, I had some on that as well. But these are brought to me specially from my uncle Marcus. So shout out to Marcus. Thank you for those. And we are here because we were going to do the Kraken one, but we thought I'll come and see this because I found this, and we thought we'd come and test this place out. As you can see, fairly good testing ground for this truck. So going to see if I can get up some of these hills, see how far she gets, and hope it doesn't break. The only weakness I found with this thing is the front drive shafts aren't great. So I have gone through 2 drive shafts on this. So let's see if it will last longer this time. So I'll crack it on and we'll give it a rip. Okay, first test up here. No problems. Straight up there, that's damn steep hill. See if I can get any aspect of how steep. You might not be able to see that, but that's pretty steep. Logan, was that steep?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was steep. He's a pretty good judge of it. So let's keep going up here. Okay, let's see if this will work. Pretty steep down there.
Oh, it's steep. Everyone, we can't go down there.
Little tester of the engine brake here. It might just topple over and end up at the bottom. And we made it. So, test 1 complete. This next one, see if we can try and get up this. Okay, so now let's see if we can get up this. I think that, yeah, that's our limit. No getting up there. Way too steep. Okay, we've come to another site now.
Yeah.
This is a pretty steep hill as well.
Yeah.
But as you can see, there's a lot of loose ground on the floor. And this is actually where one of the shafts broke on me trying to get up here. So let's have another go and see how we get on. Right, let's go. Definitely see how loose it is. It's kicking a lot of stuff up. And it just gets steeper as you go up. Doing alright so far. This was the easy part. And then it starts getting a lot more leafy, a little bit steeper. Starting to collect leaves now. Tricky section here. Just gotta get around this log. Getting a bit steeper. I'm actually struggling to walk myself. This is where it starts to slip. To give your drive shaft some issues. Getting a lot further than we did last time though. Right, steep section coming up. A little bit of power up there. Thought we were going to stop then. Almost to the top, buddies. And we made it. We're there. Well done, Jeep. Hear his engine struggling a bit there. Logie made it up as well. Do you make it up, Logue? Okay. He's found himself a friend. But as you can see, it's well, you might not be able to get a grasp of that, but that's down a steep slope up there, so done very well. Right, let's go find ourselves another place. Oh, okay guys, here we go for another test. This one might be a bit of a step too far, but I have cleared a path for the leaves, try and give it an extra chance. Let's have a go. There's a bit of grinding there, not so good. Doing alright so far. Might have needed to clear some more space up here because it's going up alright. I only cleared to up here thinking it wouldn't get this far. And he's actually doing alright. See how far he gets through this leaf. Apparently, all the way to the top. Not bad, not bad at all. If you could judge how steep that was, he's done pretty good. So I think this is a fairly good test on this site. As you can see, there are a fair few more exciting tracks to take on this place. But let's get back to the start and I'll give you a little clue on where we are. Okay. So yeah, that's the end, and just to give you a bit of a clue, if you know England at all, and you know Wells Cathedral, that's Wells Cathedral, that's where we are, and we're back at the beginning. That's going to be the most challenging hill for you, if you dare to find it. I would give you the sign for the name and where we are, but I'd rather you challenge yourself and find where it is than make it too easy. So if you make it, I hope you have fun, and remember, doing it one piece at a time, you can have this awesome piece of hill climbing truck. So remember, subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and we'll see you next time.